Hello everyone and welcome. This is CodeStar Technologies, one of the fastest growing online learning platform here in Kenya and Africa at large. As usual, I'm your host Erico Banks, and in our today's session I would like to take you through one of the systems that I happen to build using Python programming language. It is a point of sale, and in case you're out there and you haven't learned this language called Python programming language, you need to know that it's one of the most popular programming languages that are out there, and its future looks amazing. You can do quite a number of applications using Python. You can implement features that are currently needed in the market, and also in future they will be also in demand. That is things like artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, all those kind of features nowadays that they are widely needed in the applications that we normally develop. Now, before we start our session, I would like to appreciate for the guys who have subscribed to this channel. And again, if you are new on this channel, and just know that we normally share knowledge, educate each other on matters to do with the technology. So remember to subscribe and to give our videos the thumbs up. That is, you like our videos. That's how you support this channel. And also feel free to share to as many people as you can. Your support means a lot. Now let's jump into our today's session. As I said, I would like to take you through a point of sale that I happen to build using Python programming language. That was back when I was learning a Python programming language. Remember, when you learn a new programming language, you have to go through the syntax, and once you go through the syntax, the next thing you need to do is to do a project. You can do 1 or 2, 3 projects using that programming language that you've learned. And we have got a lot of programming languages that are popular, are needed out there in the market, and Python programming language is one of them. We also have got JavaScript, which is giving a lot of competition to Python. Also, we have got PHP, which has been in the market for quite some time. We also have C#. We have got also Java. I did a video talking about these kind of languages, so you need to check what is happening there and choose one of your favorite programming language and start developing system using this kind of programming language to make your CV or resume look appealing, at least to move the interviewers. Now, this was the system. It's a point of sale, and it's integrated with lipa and mpesa. So what you just do, let me run the system. You just press F5 as usual. Remember, I opened the system using what we call we have got what we refer to as Python idle, and I can see there is a module which is not installed in this machine. To install the module, we normally go to CMD, start button, go to the CMD. Then when you go to CMD, I will run the CMD to install the module. It's also good because I did it using my laptop, and now I'm just trying to test it from my desktop. So CD, then I can put / like that. That will get me to root directory. Then I can write CD Python so that I can get access to my Python folder. Then I can write pip install py pdf. No, sorry, let me just write fpdf. pdf, that was the module's name. Then you press enter, and so long as you're connected to the internet, automatically your module can be installed. Remember, this is how you normally install Python modules. It's like the same way we normally use JavaScript. On JavaScript, we normally have a module like what we refer to as Node Package Manager. That is npm, something like that. So I can see this one is successfully built, installing collection successfully installed, and I think right now it's okay. So let me now try to run my Python system. Where is it? It's here. So to run, you can just press F5 and automatically it shows up like this. So the first thing that you need to do is to log in to the system as admin. And remember, as I said, the system is a point of sale. I remember maybe I said something like that. So you can log in as admin, and as admin you just type admin. Once you do that, you choose here admin account and you log in. Sorry, I think there is a problem. What is happening? Admin, sorry, it's supposed to be Eric, also Eric. It's a system that I happened to build long time ago. So let me just check the database, because I can view direct the database and get to know what we have on the database. So to see the database, where is Python? Python is here, and then project, then go to point of sale, and here is my database. So my database, to open it, I just need to, it's a SQLite database, so db, then I press enter. This will help me check the username and the password that I used. So what am I going to do? I can resize this one like that and drag this one, drop it here. Then sorry, not open, it's supposed to be browse, and I can see admin, it's small letters, that's where I was missing. So now I can run my system. It's F5, then automatically it's admin, and sorry, it's supposed to be small letters. admin, and now I can log in as admin like that, and then I'm inside the system. So this is how it looks like, and you can see there is nothing new, there is no products, there is nothing. So I can first of all add the users, like a cashier. I can say cashier will be Rico Banks, and password will be, maybe let me say Rick, something like that. Let me just write Rico Banks, maybe again. Then the user type will be cashier. I've created a cashier, then I can close. Now on the list of items, I don't have any item, so I need to add a new item. You can sell anything, like this is more of, I was thinking of pharmacy, maybe I can say Panadol, Panadol inaandikwa hivyo, or maybe I can say mara moja, and mara moja is going to be, I say I have 10 already, and I can say the price will be 5 bob. Then I add and close. You can see this is how it looks like. If I need to add another one, I can come here, and assuming I want to add something else like unga, maybe if it's a shop. If you're selling simiti, you can say just it's cement. Maybe you can say this will be 50 kg, something like that. Then you can say the quantity is 100 bags, and I can say the price is 500 Kenyan shillings. Then I can add like that, and I can even update the quantity here. I can say I want to update mara moja, and quantity I want to make it 20 again. So I add 20. If I update 20, it means I have to see 30 here, as you can see. So that's how you can do. You can update, you can delete, you can search, things like those ones. So you'll be able to see the products that you have here. So maybe here on the stock I can generate something, maybe to check all those kind of stuff, and there is reports. If in case I want to see the reports, I can be able to check the reports also here. And yeah, that's how you do it. So this is the report of already what is existing, which is blank. As you can see, this is a PDF report it's going to generate. So now let's log in as a cashier, because we have added a new cashier. That's the work of admin. What we have done is the work of an admin. So let's go back to the system, and maybe I can where is it? Is file, exit, and this was the report. So I can close the report like that. and open the system again. Now I want to run it again and now log in as a cashier. Remember, cashier, we have created Erico Banks as the cashier, and I think I can, okay, I think it's small letters Erico. Let me check Erico Banks, like that. Then on this case I will select cashier, and once you open up, it is going to look like that. So I can maximize it. It is going to look like that. And now this is the system, point of sale, cashier panel. I want to sell, click there. I want to sell maramoja 5. If I happen to sell more than what you have, remember I happen to put maramoja is 30. So if I put something to do with 40 and try to add the cart, it will tell me it's insufficient item. So I have to add something which is quantities available. As you can see, now I have added, it has computed, it was 5 pop and now I have 4, so the total amount is 20. Again, you can come here, add a bag of cement. I don't know which chemist is this one which is selling cement. So anyway, let's proceed. I need 4 I add, and it's going to be added, as you can see, something like that. So you can choose to accept mpesa. So if it is mpesa, it means I will click mpesa and I will enter the phone number. So I happen to do a video for that. You can check on my videos. You'll see integrating your system with a point of sale with lipa and mpesa. So I happen to do that, and in my case I will do it cash. So cash, I will just select, this is the receipt number, and I will happen to say I've got 5k, maybe I will pay maybe 3k or 5k, something like that. Then enter receive the payment. You can see this is the balance that I am supposed to give to the cashier, and now this is the receipt. So the receipt, let me take it back to 100%. This is 300. This is how the receipt looks like. So yeah, that's how the receipt looks like for my items that I happened to sell. So that is it, and I hope you've learned something new. So I can log out and check the report for sales. In my case here, this is the report. You can see this receipt, it has sold to this one. This was the cashier name who served, and the item is this. So this receipt also is going to be visible on the admin's panel, and that's how it's going to look like. So I hope you've learned something new, and I'll be sharing that source code, even though I also shared it on another video. I'll put a link there on description so that you can maybe download and maybe modify it to a better point of sale on your side that you can sell to as many people as you can. So there is a version that I have done it very well, so something that I normally sell to people, and you make money out of it. So that is it for today. I appreciate a lot, and continue supporting this channel. So in case maybe I can show you maybe if the data has gone to the database, because this is the database. Remember, as I said, when you do any system, when you learn any programming language, you can do a simple CRUD system so that you can check whether you can create, read, update, and delete items to the database. And this is our system. Now we can go to is it order? We can go to product first. As you can see, these are the products that we have already, and remember, it normally computes in real time. This is the orders that we happen to have, and you can see the order, whether the order numbers are stored here and the amount that was paid, so we can compute the balances and so forth. So that's how it looks like. Employees, do you have an employee? Admin? Yeah, admin. On the admin side, we have got these guys who work under this category. So yeah, that's how the system it looks like. In case maybe you want to add another type of employees, like the storekeeper, things like those ones, you can do that one on this part of the system and modify it to a better system. So for the young guys maybe who want to learn something new about Python, this is a very nice position you can start. These are some of the systems that you happen to build and include on your resume so that you can be more marketable. at least you have got something to show out there you've learned or maybe you've covered. So that is it for today. Continue supporting this channel, like the video, again subscribe if you're new to this platform, and share to as many people as you can. I know in this field of IT it's all about networking, and you know quite a number of guys who are in this field. They can be your classmates or your fellow employees. It's good, you can share with them our links, and tell them to subscribe to our channel. That's how you support us. So thank you guys, and in case you want to learn some of these courses, as I said, feel free to come here and register. Then once you register, you get a notification to activate your account. Then you can log in and buy our courses. As I said, the prices, you can see them here on this link. That one, you will see the flyer here, and we will be good to go. So thank you guys, and all the best.